Grateful like. I mean, I work for a man and a man can work as me like. A man not push me around. When me feel like go sleep, me go sleep. Me not feel like do something, me not do something. Yeah, you know my son Clay,
Yeah, man.
Clay and Dylan. I'll make you take it to my boy.
Yeah, see.
I me just kick back because me not bother with the driving again because me can't take it, the driving. Man, me have to give thanks to life and oh, God bless me. I mean, I encourage a whole for young boys. Get in a farming and
Yeah, man.
without food, no country can go nowhere. You understand me? And these prime minister now, they don't respect the dirty man, them like we are dirty man and call it. They don't respect we. But have we run the things, have we run country? Ah, even America, look how much yam them eat. They know where it come from. They know hard work we put it there. You know more chocolate of bamboo stick me by brethren. Enough money. But me still give thanks, brother.
You can walk us through the process of how you plant and harvest the yam.
Oh, me?
Yeah, just take us through like what you take if you prepare to plant yam.
Oh, God, boy. You look on it, so you know that easy, boy, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Alright, it's a bidding yam. Yam take 8 months to come in. And between the 8 months, you know, say if you sell and not save it, between the 8 months, you know, and hold for picking your gas school, between the 8 months, if you not save yam, can it take 8 months. 8 months you have to sit down and wait before you start make money. But you see from June, July, remember me say from June, July, every God Almighty day, you can make 150,000, 100,000. Me mean every day, you know. Every day every God send come. You can make a 50, you can make 100, and you know, so we sell one place at St. Mary. Every 2 weeks you can take 1,000 yam.